I do too. Oh, bro. Huh? Yeah, that's the trail.
Oh, yeah, it's legit.
Yeah, look. Oh, dude, look, there's ice.
We're legit fishermen right now.
Dude, we're like hardcore fishermen. I'm ready. Oh, yeah. I might have to put the, I don't want to put my hood down, but I think I'm going to have to. I hate having hoods up while like doing activities.
Oh, I never might use one.
And you wore a beanie.
Yeah, because I use it.
Oh, you're right there. It's kind of hard to see.
I can't see crap.
I think I'm going to have to put the Cornelius on because this one's been acting funny. Once reeling in. There's a big rock right here, so be careful.
There is a big rock there.
Oh, you got one, bro?
Oh, I caught that 2 feet away from.
Wait, dude, that's a good fish. That's a good fish. Good fish. Oh, dude, get that in the... Grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. Bro, that's a solid trap. Look at that. Let's go.
Dude, I was like 2 feet away from
That
myself.
was... Dude, look, that's a good trout, dude.
Hey, you want to take a picture?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, dude, look at the colors. Oh, buddy, I'm falling.
Get out there so you can zoom out the snow.
Hold on, I'm just getting a couple close-ups. Here's if you need them.
I just can't feel my fingers. No, buddy. Okay.
Oh,
good. That worked out the best.
I think I got on video too. I think we're good.
Dude, that was a nice.
Dude, that's the best one of the week.
It's so slow. I didn't even know I had a fish on the line.
Dude, I wonder if like...
That's how slow he hit. I'm not lying to you. I caught him right.
I know, it was like a 2 second... Dude, it was like a 2 second flight. Let's go. There we go. Look at that, bro. Bro, I don't lose fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Nice little fish.
Look at that. First one of the day. I'll get a picture of that. Look at that. Well, it wasn't recording, guys. There's the first one of the day with the gator tail. Okay. What? No, what? Why?
I was talking.
That's fine. Ew. Hey. Chill out, bro. Here goes the first one of the day. Nice brown trout. Let's go. Oh, this is on the new lure. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my god. Oh. Come here, buddy. Oh.
There you go.
He destroyed it. Another one, guys.
Oh, man.
This-
Oh, man. I'm not liking that.
He's not happy with me.
Hey.
Another fish. A little bit of a new lure. He tanked the thing. Oh my god. Mike B! Yes, sir! What? No, he's got one. Another one, guys. Another brownie. Not bad. Little guy. A quick pick.